To use the Merrill Edge app effectively, follow these steps. Download and install. Download the Merrill Edge app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your mobile device. Log in. Open the app and log in with your Merrill Edge account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Explore the dashboard. The home screen displays an overview of your portfolio, including account balances, recent transactions, and market news. Navigate through different sections using the bottom menu: Home, Accounts, Trade, Research, and more. Manage accounts. Access your account details to view balances, transaction history, and statements. Transfer funds between accounts or to external accounts from the Accounts tab. Trade stocks and funds. Tap Trade to place buy or sell orders for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Search for securities, enter order details, and review before submitting. Access research and tools. Use the Research tab for market insights, stock analysis, and financial news. Utilize tools for tracking investments and analyzing performance. Set alerts. Set up price alerts and notifications for market changes or specific securities. Customer support. Use the More tab to access customer support and account settings.